Hi, my name is Claire and I've just recently finished studying for the Masters in Advanced Facilitation Skills for Promoting Health and Wellbeing, accredited with Waterford Institute of Technology, and I studied for this course in Dublin. So my background is working in healthcare for the last 2 decades. I have worked as a general nurse, a midwife, and more recently as a lactation consultant in the community. I was drawn to this course for the personal development aspect, and also previously I would have described myself as a professional certificate collector. So I went on a lot of study days, a lot of professional development, but none of them were giving me the steps on the ladder. So when I applied for the Masters, I was really thrilled to be accepted. Even though I had a level 8, it was about 15 years since I had studied. I was very nervous initially starting the course because I felt level 9 was way beyond my ability. However, I took it step by step, took it module by module, and to my surprise, I actually really enjoyed the study aspect of it. And the research aspect of it was like a mountain to climb, but again, it was step by step. What I hugely gained from the course, and I would love to see every health professional and every person working with people, to work with people, you've got to learn about yourself first. And that's what I learned mostly, was about myself, how to express myself in a safe environment. And now I feel I have much more skills in helping people to express themselves in a safe environment. I would have looked at a lot of other courses. Health promotion was always something I've been interested in. However, this course really appealed to me because of the personal development aspect, but also it looked at the research and diversity of Ireland and how our health promotion structure works in Ireland. I gained a huge insight into other health professionals because during the course we got to work with people that weren't in my setting. So I got to work with people from social care, from health promotion, from nursing, and that was a huge insight. So in a lot of the courses I would have done up till now, it would have been with my own midwifery and nursing colleagues. So this kind of blew it out of the water in terms of working with other health professionals who were in the community, and made me realise that no matter what area we work in, our communication skills to deal with people need to be exceptional to get health promotion programmes delivered well. So the Masters course was delivered in Dublin, and that really worked very well for me because I have a busy lifestyle. I have 4 children and I work 3 part-time jobs. Going up to Dublin for the 2 days allowed me to focus on the study, but it also allowed me to pace myself for the 3 weeks in between, and motivated me to study on a weekly basis because we would have had work to hand in for the following month. I found the facilities in Waterford really good. There's huge support for master's students through the library, through the literacy. There's even counselling available. I availed of many services down here, and I would speak really highly of the support that I got. The 2 days in Dublin were really busy. There were, in a group setting, a small group setting, there was 12 of us in our group. However, one of the unique experiences I experienced myself on this course was getting to experience 3 weekends as a residential study weekend away. These weekends were, I suppose, paramount to me learning more about myself, and we were able to spend lots of time working in a very safe environment, expressing your feelings, expressing those feelings in a safe way. This was very different than a lot of other courses I would have done, which was more information gathering, whereas this course, even though it was sometimes tough at the time, was about finding out information about myself. And I have walked away from this course knowing more about myself, which then lends me with a lot more comfort going into work with people who avail of my services or who I have the privilege of working with in the community. I'm really proud that I've started this course and that I've finished this course. There was times when I didn't think I would be able for it. However, I got huge support from my family, from my friends, and from the lecturers in Waterford Institute of Technology. So I'm really grateful to everybody who supported me. But also I suppose I'm really grateful to myself that I kept going even when times were tough. And I did find study really hard, and I suppose I have to sometimes pinch myself to feel that I can introduce myself now as somebody who has a master's degree. What has this done for me in terms of my work? It's given me confidence to stand amongst my peers, but it's also given me a lot of confidence to work with people. I now know that people learn in different ways, they learn differently than I learn, and that's good, that's okay. So I need to go into groups now and look at how people learn rather than possibly before when it would have been how I liked to deliver a program or how I learn. So I think the confidence that I've gotten from the course is more about delivery of workshops, but also that the most important thing is to meet people where they're at. And I've seen a huge level of satisfaction for me in my workplace in now going and meeting people where they're at, as opposed to looking at maybe the aims and outcomes of my goals, which aren't as important in terms when I'm working with people. Who do I think this Masters is good for? I think this Masters is good for basically anyone in this world who wants to go on and do further study, is a little bit maybe tired of their work environment, is not sure do they want to specialise in the area that they work in. This course is an amazing roundedness course. I would say it is absolutely, would be of exceptional value to teachers, nurses, social care workers, and particularly people who manage employees in the workplace, but also people who are team leaders. Because to become a team leader, you want to be just that person that people want to follow, and all you need is one follower, and then you're no longer the team leader, you're the team player. So if you're tired of where you're at in your world, if you're tired of where you're at in your life, I think this course would be a great experience, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did.